Alright, to finish out this problem, I'm not sure why the video stopped, but for example 5, again, we have a pencil that's 18.7 centimeters long. If you were to lay out 10,000 pencils end to end, how many millimeters long would they be? Write the answer in scientific notation. So the first thing is this pencil's 18.7 centimeters long. We want to know how many millimeters long it would be. And we have 10,000 of these pencils. So first of all, let's convert 18.7 centimeters to millimeters. And there's 10 millimeters per centimeter. So that would be 187 millimeters. It's the same thing as 18.7 centimeters. And we have 10,000 of these. So that would be like taking 187 millimeters times 10,000. I'm going to go ahead and multiply that out, and then we'll convert it to scientific notation. So if I multiply 10,000, commas in the bad spot there, that means I'm going to tack on 5 zeros behind the 187. So that's going to be 187, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is actually 18,700,000. So to write that in scientific notation, first thing we have to do, the first factor, has to be a number between 1 and 10. So 1.87. And then we're going to say times. So the second factor has to be a power of 10 that when I multiply it times 1.87, I will end up with this number. So that means we would have to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces. So it should be times 10 to the 7th. So to make sure, let's take 1.87 and let's see, that's 1, 2. And then once we do the 2, then that means we have 5 zeros because there's 7 spaces. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a comma there and a comma there, and that would be gone. So it would be 18 million. Yep, that works. So it's 1.87 times 10 to the 7th is the way you would write 18,200,000 in scientific notation. So that's the end of the lesson, and I need to have these notes filled out and come in tomorrow to do the practice.